Hi, welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Adventures. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about being prepared today when going out activating portable. Because my original plan today was using this 10-meter DX commander pole, about 21 meters of wire, and 91 on to test out my newly built RF choke to see if that worked. But as you probably can hear and also see, although I've tried to shelter the microphones a little bit from the wind, it's windy today, really windy. Actually, it's so windy that I couldn't guide the DX Commander mast properly. I tried 2 times, mast fell over both times. But luckily, I am prepared. I carry more antennas than one, so just because the wind got too much for the mast and the wire, I'm prepared. I got a ham stick, I got a mag mount, so let's get over to another part of the park. I'm going to do as usual. I'm going to call CQ. You're going to look at the scenery, which is going to be a little bit different today at this park, and then we'll see if I make the activation. So let's do as usual. Today's station is the X6100. Well, it would have been the X6100 all the way, but after my original antenna failed, this is today's antenna, the Ampro 20-meter ham stick on a mag mount. And today's shack is my Citroen Z0, a little Japanese K car. It's originally branded as the Mitsubishi i-MiEV. I've talked a little bit about this car earlier, and it's a really fun car to drive. But let's go on and call some CQs. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the air, calling CQ Parks on the air, calling CQ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the air, calling CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the air. Park Lima Alpha 2532, Park Lima Alpha 2532. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the air. And sometimes plan B doesn't pan out like you planned. I've been calling CQs now for about 20 minutes, and no one's getting back to me. Might be the time of day, might be propagation, might be a lot of things, but I see there are some things happening on 20 meters though. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna hunt for stations, POTA or not, and I'm gonna try to get them in the log. So we'll see what happens.
This is George 3 Yankee Hotel Mike listening. George 3 Yankee Hotel Mike, G3 Yankee Hotel Mike. This is Radio Yankee 2 Hotel. Radio Yankee 2 Hotel, go ahead.
Lima Bravo 0 Fox India QRP.
Yeah, the one that said Bravo Roger. Who was the station? Bravo Roger, go ahead.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India QRP. QRP.
Lima Bravo 0 QRP. Lima Bravo 0 QRP. Please give your call again. You're not so strong, but I'd like to work QRP station, so please call again. Go ahead.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. London Baker 0 Florida Italy.
Oh, I've got it now. London Bravo 0 Foxtrot Italy. Oh, very nice. Nice to hear you. And okay that you are just QRP. CQ20, CQ20, Delta Lima 5 Papa India Alpha. Delta Lima 5 Papa India Alpha calling CQ 20 meters and standing by.
Lima Bravo 0 Fox India QRP portable.
South India station, 1 moment please. The Lima Bravo 0, go ahead.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India QRP today, over.
Roger, nice to hear you. Lima Bravo 0 Fox Foxtrot, India. The report for you is at the moment in the peak 5 by 7, 5 and 7.
QSL, thank you for the 5 and 7, Petra. You are 5 by 9 plus here, running 10 watts on a Hamsteak mobile today, over.
Yeah, that's working fantastic, Morten. Congratulations for your equipment, and yeah, always great to hear you. I wish you a nice evening, good DX, and see you further down the log. Thank you very much. 7388. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, 73. Okay. I didn't really know if this was going to be a video or not. I'm in the car on my way home now, and I kind of figured, yeah, it should be a video because I opened up talking about the importance of being prepared. And yes, my plan B I didn't make the activation. Okay, that happens. But my plan B managed to get me on the air, whereas only having a plan A would have stopped me from getting on the air today. So I'd say the activation is a success. And no, I didn't get my 10 contacts. And no, I didn't get any replies to me calling a CQ. But I mean, I had fun and I learned some lessons about being prepared today. So I kind of want to bring that to the point. That's the point I want to make with this video. The importance of being prepared, the importance of getting things done. I got 3 contacts in the log. I got an English station, a German station, and an Italian station. And that's by far not what I usually get. But I learned something. I had fun. I got out. I got some fresh air. And I got to play outside on my day off. So yeah, it was worth it. So, thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel a little bit more, there are a couple of ways down below to do that. You can either support the channel on Patreon, or you can buy me a coffee. Check out the options down below if you want to do that. If not, I'll be happy for just a comment and a like. And until next time, 7-3.